Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Hilma Fauzia. I'm from PBI Reg A4. In this video, I will explain about students' views regarding education during the pandemic. So lately, various countries in the world have been shocked by an outbreak of a disease caused by a virus called corona, or better known as COVID-19. Coronavirus disease-19. This virus outbreak is indeed very fast, spreading to various countries in the world. The World Health Organization (WHO) has declared the COVID-19 outbreak a global pandemic, with the restrictions on interactions. The Ministry of Education and Culture used a policy to close schools and replace teaching and learning activities with the distance learning system. The implementations of a new policy, of course, has a negative side as well as a positive side. The problems with the PJJ system include access to information. Students complain because the assignment given by the teacher are more than face-to-face learning. The application of online learning also makes educators think again about the learning models and methods that will be applied. Behind these problems and complaints, of course, there are lessons from distance learning that are currently being applied, including students and teachers get free internet quota to support school education. Students and teachers can master technology to support online learning. So in this era of increasingly sophisticated technological disruption, teachers and students are required to have the ability in the field of learning technology. So with the WFH policy, it is able to force and accelerate them to master digital learning technology as a necessity for them. Even though education in Indonesia has been affected by the COVID-19 pandemic, behind of all this, there are certainly lessons to be learned. The existence of a government policy to conduct distance learning via online can provide benefits for increasing awareness in mastering current technology and overcoming problems in the education process in Indonesia. The COVID-19 pandemic has changed the world of education, starting from the learning process, which is usually done face-to-face in the classroom. But since the pandemic took place, it has changed to online learning. Teachers, students, and parents are required to be able to present an active and effective learning process, even though it must be carried out from their respective homes. Of course, what I highlight the most as a big key teacher is the process of developing the character of students who have been in free fall since this pandemic has taken place so deeply, starting from the rise of long haired student even to the point of being painted colorfully. This can be seen during the online KBM process. Students who are often late in submitting assignment for various reasons, and it is not uncommon for students to be absent from online KBM without a clear reason, plus a culture of honesty that shall be the main character there. So starting from the rise of long-haired students even to the point of being painted colorfully, this can be seen during the online KBM process. Students who are often late in submitting assignment for various reasons, and it is not uncommon for students to be absent from online KBM without a clear reason, plus a culture of honesty that shall be the main character that must be honored by them. The generation of the nation's children almost bias. The COVID-19 pandemic can bring so many negative impacts, and the positive impacts are a serious problem in the education system in Indonesia now and in the future. The positive impact of this pandemic is that is is that it can motivate, give new enthusiasm through difficult times to continue to achieve the goals of education in Indonesia, being more advanced and modern with the available methods and technology. The task of educator is becoming increasingly difficult in the midst of this pandemic. But with this difficult, usually creativity to get out of difficult times like this will usually appear by itself. For example, such as the emergence of online learning applications, students can be directly supervised by parents. Collaboration between parents and teachers are getting closer and closer. The application of knowledge and attention in the family, whether it's just reminding students to study, having small discussion with children at home, teacher becoming more technology literate, and making the internet a positive source of information, and so on. So the government has taken various ways so that education can continue to run in this pandemic era, because education is very important asset for a nation, for the progress of a country. One of them is by using a government regulation about requiring everyone everywhere to do 3M, wearing masks, washing hands, and maintaining distance. And the vaccinations process, which is still as an effort to prevent the spread of the COVID-19 virus from spreading, and over time, people are used to and have to accept and support the policies that have been made by the government in the world of education, even though in the distance learning and work from home system recommended by the government, there are still many obstacles such as problem with the network, difficulty in understanding the material received or captured by students, and many complaints such as being given a lot of assignment. It can still run quite well. Maybe that's all I can say. Sorry if there are mistakes. And the last I say Alhamdulillah and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.